Something we're really proud of at the Institute of Education is the Bee Meadow project.
The Bee Meadow project has really been a fascinating example of a project which has been inspired by collections here at the museum.
The primary school children entered a competition to help design our bee hotel. The secondary school training teachers then used the Bee Meadow site as a stimulus for developing their lesson plans.
It's been an incredible opportunity to start looking at integrating sustainability and environmental consciousness into a curriculum more broadly, which is something that I've had practice doing through things like the Bee Meadow projects and looking at positive health and well-being relating to bees specifically and honey and the medical value of that and how that's actually pushed us forward in terms of medicine throughout time.
Having things such as the Bee Meadow and the Bee Hotel enables us to talk about climate education here at the museum through these examples of these projects. So we've been able to look at pollinators. We run an outdoor schoolroom session here at the museum, which has been sort of drawing on things that students can observe in areas such as our Bee Meadow and in the Bee Hotel.
What's unique about this project is we've been able to use an outdoor space, convert it into a bee meadow, create it into a teaching and learning site, and engage our wider community in terms of our school partnerships, our pupils in schools, and our training teachers.